When I started this business 20 years ago, I decided people shouldn't be punished if their units broke down on weekends or holidays. Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving, it doesn't matter. We'll be there. You'll pay the same rate on those days as you would on a regular weekday. Even though we're a Carrier factory authorized dealer, we have the parts and the know-how to work on any brand of equipment on the market today. The Carrier Cool Cash Rebate, they can receive the $1,500 tax credit and up to a $1,325 rebate from Carrier. We were the #1 dealer in 2008 and 2009 in this program. It's important for me, and I have always been this way. This business is nothing without the customers that have put trust in me, that have put trust in my company, to know that when we come out to their home to service their unit, that they're not going to get taken advantage or not going to get ripped off.
We started using Mike Merritt's over 15 years ago. We've kept using them because they do a great job, and they even come out after hours and they don't charge any overtime. One of the best things we ever did was buying their gold maintenance plan. We get our units is serviced every spring and fall, and they never charge us for a service call. We recommend them to everyone we know.